We'll guide you through how to send location on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an Android or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. Being able to go and send your location is really convenient, and there are different ways you can go about this, so make sure it's this full guide and we'll guide you through them. For example, what you can do is just go and send a location where you want to go meet somebody. Alternatively, you can go and send the location where you currently are right now. Or what you could do is start sharing a live location. So this means as you move, your location will keep on getting updated in WhatsApp, and the person you send it to can keep on seeing you, perhaps trying to go meet up with them or something like that. So we're going to guide you through these different options and how it goes and works. So to get started, come into WhatsApp as we are here. And then what you need to do is come into a chat, whether that's just with one person or in a group, and you can then go and open it up like so. I'll do it with this group here, or chat here, I should say. Then what you should do is go to the bottom left on an iPhone, you'll see a plus. On an Android, you go to the right and you'll go and see a paperclip. So you want to go and tap on the plus or paperclip, depending upon the device you're on, and you'll go and see some different options. You want to go and find the option for location, and you can go and tap there. So your location will then go and appear here. So at the top, you could go and search or enter an address you want to go and share. So I could go and type in London, let's say. You can then swipe up from the bottom and go and choose one of these. So I could select this one here, for example, and it'll then be sent. Alternatively, if we go back to the location, what you can do is go and start sharing a live location. So I can tap there. Then you can go and choose the amount of time you want to do this for and press send, and your live location will be sent, and that will go and keep being updated. Or what you could do is just send your current location. So you can go and tap that there, and then where you currently are will be sent, but it will not go and change if you go and start moving. That's it. They're the different options you've got. Hopefully you found this useful. If you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more guides like this on the channel and more to come as well.